Hello, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today I'm going to be doing my book haul. So I picked up quite a few books for the last couple of weeks, and some I've read already, some not, some I'm currently reading. So anyway, so I picked up one of Beverly Jenkins' book, Breathless, and this is one of her old Western tales. So I always enjoy when she does that era where, pre and post slavery days, but this one seems to be not in that era. That doesn't focus on that. I think this is Duchess. So no, this is nothing like forbidden, but we'll see. So the next one is one I'm currently reading, which is If Bill Street Could Talk by James Baldwin. So I picked this up initially because the movie coming out, and I really wanted to read the book before the movie comes out. And it is, so far, I'm really enjoying it, but I know it's gonna probably end sad because it just seemed like so far. We have a young couple, and they've been each other's friends since they were young. Now they're one is young girl. She's I believe now she's about 19 in the book, and the young man's about 3 years older than her, and she's pregnant, and he's in jail. So in the story so far, it's not telling me what he's in jail for, but you get an impression that he's wrongly accused of something. I'm not sure what it is, but it's just a little trying times for them as a couple, and she's reminiscing about their childhood together when the young and innocent, and and some of that stuff I'm laughing at, where they things that happened to them when they were young. So we'll see how this work out. I'll definitely review it when it's done. The next book I already read, and that is Jennifer Lewis, the mother of Black Hollywood. Definitely pick it up. It's a 5-star. Yeah. I have a review of it. I will definitely link it if you want to watch it. Now the next book I was so excited about. It is on everybody's TBR, and then it became a situation where people were just ruining it for me, talking about it, because it just seemed like people don't understand. Read the book, but don't talk about it. But anyway, but what irritate me more, the people who are talking about it are people who probably this is the first book they picked up all year. So anyway, and that is Becoming by Michelle Obama. I'm more interested in her early years. I'm interested in before she met Barack. I'm interested in before she became this well-known woman in America, and that's the part that really irritates me when someone tries to ruin it for me. I'm not gonna read it yet. I'm waiting till the hype die, which probably be another 2 months, where it's not gonna be as crazy, and then I could sit down and read it in peace before anybody come ruin the damn book for me anymore. So the next book I picked up is Heavy, and I'm not familiar with this person, Keith Lehman, but it's blurred by Roxane Gay, and also I've heard a lot of people giving it 5 stars, saying how good it is. So I'm definitely going to read this. It's just not going to be this year. I want happy books right now, or semi-happy books. So this one I'm going to probably save till January or February. The next book I read already, which is Nicholas Spark, Every Breath. Love it. It's a very good romance. It's very classic, Nicholas Sparks. It's that feel-good story that you're gonna think about. I did a review on this. I'll definitely link it, and go check it out. Now the next book, as soon as I read the synopsis, I was like, oh no, this is coming home with me, and that is The Reckoning by John Grisham. So this is a man that walked into a church, killed a pastor and a friend, walked out. Now his lawyer, the judge, no one knows why he killed him, and he's willing to go to his grave before he tells anyone why he did it. He's definitely a guilty person, not hiding it. He's just not telling. But I know how John Grisham is, so the background story is going to be interesting to know why he's just like, yeah, I'm not telling, but they deserve to die kind of situation. And then, now this other author, she's had about 8 books published, and I think I own about 7. This might be 7. I think I might be missing one. And that is Leanne Moriarty. I never pronounce her name right. Sorry, guys. But it's 9 Perfect Strangers, and the reason I like her, she always have these weird group of people together, whether they're together because of they live in the same community, or they're friends, or they're fan. They just weird, and something always happen. It always seems our story is very a relaxed kind of read, and then bam, something will happen that would tarnish a day, you know. And in this case, they had a resort, a health resort, so I know it's gonna be some kind of shenanigans going on in this. Definitely not gonna read it this year. It's gonna be next year. I have too many stuff that I want to read this month, so but I definitely want to get into this one. I feel like my kind of story, but then again, I pick up all her books and say the same thing. So and then the last book I already did an unboxing for when I did my last video, so definitely gonna read this probably next year. But this is the one that won the what I don't remember what name of the book award, National Book Award. There you go. And I'm glad, like I said, I got it before they put the stamp on. But it's in poetry form, the format, and I like that, and I feel like I'm gonna really enjoy this one. So I'm looking forward to reading this definitely next year, and you know, it's gonna be read for sure. So that is all the books that I have, and I hope you guys are watching all my Vlogmas, because I'm doing it, and it's been interesting. I'm actually enjoying every day recording a video and trying to come up with something that's me, that's more of how I am. I'm very relaxed. You know, I do have my moments where I could be a little bit out there, but you know, relaxing at home, reading, cooking, you know, that's my day-to-day life. And yeah, so anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day.